Alright folks, there you have it. Holy shit, we did it. Chevy V8 in the Nissan drift car. It runs, it drives, it stops, it goes. Didn't do a crazy first test drive here, but it was just enough to know this thing is officially alive. It's not done, it's alive. First thing on the list, some kind of exhaust system. These open headers, even embarrassingly loud. This thing screams. And then, as you heard, as soon as I let off that gas, the decel valve, brah, 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 brah. Stuff dreams are made of. V8 dreams, American dreams. Amen, brother. We did it. So yeah, next thing on the list, get that exhaust sorted out, run it through. I've got a resonator. I don't know if I'm even gonna need some kind of muffler, 1, 2, who knows, but just to make it so that your ears are not bleeding. As you can see, I threw the bumper on, got the hood on, had to do a little bit of spacing just to make it clear everything, but I think we're good to go. It's so tricky trying to peek in here while you're closing it and make sure that everything fits, but I think we're good. Again, still waiting on the rest of the intake piping, but I think we'll be all right from that point. What is after that? Stay tuned. I mean, obviously we're just gonna have to dial this in a little bit more, get a little bit better every time, get the suspension set up better, and then eventually get this baby out to the track and actually see what it's made of. So thank you so much for coming on this journey with me. Can't thank you guys enough for the support, the comments, the help, the advice, the pointers, all of your knowledge. It really means a lot to me. So thank you so much for watching. We're not done. There's more to come, and I can't wait to take you along with me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.